The Samsung Galaxy M51 is the newest smartphone from South Korea. The key highlights of the phone is the massive 7000 mAh battery, but of course the phone has a bunch of other tricks up its sleeve as well. The phone launched in India recently and is available on Amazon. We have the 8GB plus 128GB variant of the smartphone here for review. Let's quickly unbox it to see what you get inside. It's the typical Samsung smartphone box we have been seeing for most of the company's smartphones. As with every other box, you hold the top to make it slide out of the cover, and the first thing that you see is the smartphone wrapped in its plastic covering, but we will come back to it a little later. Of course, there is a box that holds all the documentation like the user guide, warranty and more. There is also a SIM ejector tool attached to the box. Interestingly, there is no case that comes bundled with the box. Under the phone, we find a USB Type-C to Type-C cable and the 25-watt fast charger. A very useful feature considering the large size of the battery. We can only imagine how long it would take to fully charge this battery with a conventional charger. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. Now let's come back to the Samsung Galaxy M51. At first impressions, I quite like the color and finish of the smartphone. Samsung calls this color electric blue and it is pretty striking. We also see this very glossy finish on the device. As for the weight, well, it's definitely not a lightweight thanks to its massive 7000 mAh battery. However, it's not like the phone is very heavy either. The device weighs just over 200 grams, which is not too bad and adds quite a decent amount of heft to the phone. Turning on the phone, we see that it packs a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display. Samsung is no stranger to offering AMOLED panels in phones, and as always, you get vibrant colors with deep blacks. On the performance side, you get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC that has been specifically designed for gaming and is set to offer a 15% graphical increase as compared to the standard 730. So those planning to game on the Galaxy M51 should be in for a treat. The Samsung Galaxy M51 is available in two variants, both with 128GB of storage. As mentioned earlier, the version we have offers 8GB of RAM, but there is also a 6GB RAM version. In terms of optics, the phone packs a quad camera setup with a 64-megapixel camera, 12-megapixel camera and two 5-megapixel cameras. The 64-megapixel sensor is the primary sensor and sports an aperture of f1.8. The 12-megapixel unit packs an ultra-wide lens with a 123 degrees field of view. The 5-megapixel unit packs a macro lens for taking detailed close-up shots, while the other 5-megapixel unit is a depth sensor used to take bokeh shots. So that was a quick look at the new Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone.